We're Wold Escapes. We're based in East Yorkshire near Driffield. We've got an award-winning cookery school. We've got a 9-bedroom bed and breakfast, and then probably the newest part of the business is we've got the glamping cabins. So initially in each cabin we had some small electric water heaters to power the showers. Then the hot tubs were powered just using their own element that they come with, which although works, it doesn't speed up fast enough. During busy times they kept tripping out because the water flow wasn't correct. We also found that they were burning out quite quickly, so every 2 years we were having to replace the electric water heaters. Finesse, the installers, they recommended that we use the air source heat pumps as a way of combating a lot of the issues that we were having.
The original lodges were all direct electric heating. The 2 kilowatt heater in the hot tubs would not reheat the hot tubs fast enough. Now they've got an 8 kilowatt air source heat pump. They're using about 1/3 of the electric they were, and they're actually achieving what they want to achieve for their customers. So they can get a tenant that leaves at 10 o'clock in the morning, they drain it down, within an hour they've filled it back up. Between 11 AM and 3 to 4 PM, the hot tubs are now whole hot, ready for the next customer to come into, which is what they've never had before.
So our Logicare product has worked amazingly well in this project. The outdoor unit is really quiet. The pre-plumb cylinder has made the installation of the unit so incredibly easy. The hot tub is amazing. There is plenty of hot water and it's delivered really quickly and efficiently. So it's been an amazing solution on a really unique project.
The air source heat pumps that we've got have improved things dramatically, even just for the staff on the day-to-day usage. We're spending a lot less time looking after things, like the hot tubs for example. They can get turned around so much faster. The air source heat pumps are also meaning that we're not having to come out and deal with water flow issues and that kind of thing. If a guest comes and leaves the lid off the hot tub or something like that, these hot tubs will heat up so much faster, even in -degrees. You can sit outside and it can be snowing, and you can be sitting in your hot tub and you're still lovely and warm, or inside your cabin and you've still got all the nice central heating and hot running water for the showers.
The really good thing about the way Ideal actually make the products is they're very simple from a wiring point of view. You have the pre-plumb cylinder, you have an outdoor unit, you have a power supply that goes to the outdoor unit, a power supply for the immersion heater which also powers the indoor unit, and then you have a 2-core cable between, and it's simple. It runs out of the box. Yes, you do need to commission it, yes, you do need to set the parameters up, but effectively, it's done for you. 1 circuit for the heating for the house, 1 circuit for the hot tub and hot water, and it works beautifully. The manuals are really well written. They're very similar to the boiler manuals. So if you can work your way through an Ideal Logic manual, you can work your way through an Ideal Logic air source heat pump one. And because of that parallel, it makes it much easier for us as gas engineers to move across. So I can't say fairer than that. We like the units, so we've spec'd them on several more jobs now.
For more information on the Logicare, contact your local Ideal area sales manager.